Have you ever taken a look at song lyrics on folklore, evermore, and thought to yourself, dang, this is a hard word. I don't understand anything. If so, don't worry, you're not alone. It's not just you being a non-native speaker thing. It's an everybody thing, okay? We all felt it. I thought I would take this opportunity to walk you through some of the words I personally found, Before I start today's video, I'd just like to introduce myself. Hi, my name is Ella. I'm a full-time English teacher that offers private one-on-one classes as well as online courses for you to study on your own. I've also written an ebook/self-study guide. So if you're studying English as a beginner from scratch, I've got you covered. And of course, I make videos here as well as other platforms, so you'll find me anywhere. Just a little shameless plug. Matinee. Matinee. This is a French word, as in I hit the Sunday matinee, which means a musical or dramatic performance or social or public event held in the daytime and especially in the afternoon. Sometimes when you go see a movie in a movie theater here in America, if your viewing time is afternoon, it will say matinee in parentheses, which it's just a fancy word for something that you watch during the day. Because typically, I guess people watch plays at nighttime. So matinee means just daytime show. Gauche. The wedding was charming if a little gauche from the song The Last Great American Dynasty. It means lacking social experience or grace. I'm gonna start using that word. Okay? It's gonna be a little jarring. I'm still finding my opportunity to sneak that word into a conversation, but it just sounds so nice and it looks so nice. You can say it would be gauche to mention the price. It just like nails what you want to say instantly. It would be a little gauche to say the price, to ask for money. And indeed it would. Moving on to the next word. Ricochet, as in my tears ricochet. We have 3 French words so far, okay? That's another trick if you want to sound fancy, use French loanwords. If a bullet, stone, or other object ricochets, it changes direction when it hits a surface or at an angle. The T is silent because it is French, and in French, the ending consonant is usually silent. Look at how my tears ricochet. The next word is clandestine. Basically just means secret, confidential, classified, sensitive, covert, but it's fancier. It comes from Latin. The original word is clandestineness. Clandestine has a connotation of it being illegal and immoral. So clandestine meetings and lonely stares. She used clandestine because not only is it secret, it's also immoral. Another word, also from the song Illicit Affair, is Mercurial. Mercurial means having changing feelings, or it changes a lot, oscillating, quick, non-stable. Dwindling and mercurial high. Dwindling, mercurial, it's like up and down. So your return of investment just keeps going down, but it's still like up and down, so it creates that kind of excitement to keep you in. And it's also unpredictable. This word is quite interesting because it has the similar root to Mercury. Next word, is from my favorite song, The Lakes, elegies. So elegies mean pensive or reflective poems that are usually nostalgic or melancholy, which is just sad, okay? So a sad poem. A sad, reflective poem. On the same line, we have eulogize. Is it romantic how all my elegies eulogize me? Eulogize means to speak or write in high praise of, or to praise someone, right? Is it romantic how all my poems praise me? Basically, that's the dummies version. But obviously, how all my elegies eulogize me sound prettier. Like a lot more prettier. And then another word from the lakes is calamitous, which means causing or accompanied by calamity. Calamity is basically disaster. Calamitous, catastrophic, cataclysmic. They're kind of synonyms, but with small but important differences. So calamitous is from the word calamity. And calamity has that unexpectedness. Hurricane George was just the latest calamity to hit the state. So we don't know how big or small the hurricane is, but we do know it's unexpected. The flood was a calamity from which Bangladesh has never fully recovered. Yeah, because it wasn't predicted. It was not expected. Okay, moving on to the next word. Contrarian. Contrarian. From the song Gold Rush. Dinner parties that call you out on your contrarian shit. Basically, contrarian means you're deliberately trying to stand out. You're going against the grain. It has a similar root to contrary, right? Contrary, contrarian has that root. Alright, that is it for today's video. I think I've covered everything on folklore. I've even included some from Evermore, which I also like. I even like Evermore better. I'm a Reputation and Evermore girly, which is a really weird combination, but sue me. Let me know if I missed out on any words or mispronounced certain words. I don't know. These are hard words. Some native speakers even got it wrong. So I do my best. I do my research. But sometimes I don't make mistakes. Please forgive me. But please do let me know. I always want to correct myself. That is it. Leave me a comment, please and thank you. And I'll see you very soon. Bye.